So very good morning students. In this lecture we are going to learn about our next example of subtraction story. So students, you can see here there are some example. In the previous lecture we have studied about this example. So let's see our next examples. So what say here? Carry out subtraction by the above method. So now we are going to subtract by above the method. Let's see. First question is the 10 and unit 22 minus 30. Okay. So let's see. So students, I have already draw these examples in this notebook. I have already write some example in this notebook with the method. So let's see a subtraction story. What is the question? 27 minus 13. So students, here you can see there are 2 tens and 7 units. So here also there are 2 tens. 2 tens means there are 20 units. 10 units in a one bundle. So there are 2 bundles means there are 20 units and 7 units. So there are single 7 units. So what say here? 7 minus 3. What say here? 7 minus 3. So let's subtract 3 from 7. So 1, 2, 3. Students, here we subtract 3 from 7. So what is the answer? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our answer is the 4. So write 4 in a unit place. Okay. Then tens. 2 minus 1. So there are 2 tens. So here we will subtract 1. Okay. So how many tens there are remaining? Only 1. So our answer is the 1. So 27 minus 13 is equal to 14. Our answer is the 14. Okay. Then next example. 37 minus 25. What is the question? 37 minus 25. So students, there are 3 units. There are 3 tens and 7 units. So first we will subtract 5 from 7 number. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So how many bits are there? Only 2. 1 and 2. So 5 minus 7 minus 5. Our answer is the 2. So write 2 in a unit place. Then next. There are 3 tens. So 3 minus 2 means we want to subtract 2 from 3. 1 and 2. So our answer is the 1. Means 3 minus 2. Our answer is the 1. So students, 37 minus 25 is equal to 12. So our answer is the 12. Okay. Then next. Now student, see our next example. 68 minus 34. Okay. 68 means 6 tens and 8 units. So there are 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. There are 6 tens means 16 units. And then 8 single units. There are 8 single units. So what is the question? First, 8 minus 4 units. So there are some single units. First we subtract 4 from 8 number. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 4 subtract we want here. So 8 minus 4 means we subtract 4 from 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So how many units are remaining there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 8 minus 4, our answer is the 4. You can see there are only 4 units are remaining. Then next 6 minus 3. So students, here we want to subtract 3 number from 6 tens. So subtract 3 tens, 1, 2 and 3. So how many tens are remaining? 1, 2 and 3. How many tens are remaining? 3. So our answer is the 3. So students, 68 minus 34, our answer is the 34. Okay. Our answer is the 34. Then next example. 58 minus 32. So students, how many tens are there? 5. So here also 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And how many units? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here also single 8 units. So first we subtract 2 from 8 in this single units. So subtract 2, 1 and 2. Okay. So how many units are remaining there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is the answer? Answer is the 6. 8 minus 2, our answer is the 6. So students, how many tens are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So we will subtract 3 from 5. So list 1, 2 and 3. So here we subtract 3 from 5 tens. So how many tens remaining are there? 1 and 2. Okay. So our answer is the 2. So students, 58 minus 32 is equal to 26. So our answer is the 26. Okay. Do you understood a subtraction story? This is a very easy and very good method. You can solve some example using by this method. Student, you can see here there are 4 example. You want to solve this example by using this method. Okay.